Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. I'd like to start with the fastest way to turn it on and off, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So let's start with unrolling the top bar and unroll it fully, of course, to see those icons and find the night light. So the night light is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. You can turn it on just by tapping on this option, and as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can always turn it off the same way and the screen will get back to its normal state. So this is how to turn it on and off. And if you want to customize it, you have to tap on it and hold it, and your device will actually transfer you to the proper section where you can customize this mode. However, let me show you the full path of how to enable or actually how to customize the night light. So if for some reason your device will not automatically get you there, you will still be able to find those options. So let's enter the settings. Right here in this section we have to find the display, and now let's find the night light, which is right here. So let's tap on it. Of course, before we'll be able to customize it, we have to turn it on, so just tap on the switcher. And right here we've got the intensity feature. We can change it by going to the left. We can make it much cooler, and there is not really a huge difference between the coolest setting in the intensity and the night light turned off, maybe a little bit. And by going to the right, you can make it much warmer. It is really visible right now. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use. We can also schedule that feature. The option none means that it is manual, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, up to you. And then we've got from sunset to sunrise, and here basically your device automatically decides when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.